What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the video. If you're not familiar with my channel, guys, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, guys. Make sure to check out my channel. I post daily videos, investing, day trading, live day trading, cryptocurrencies, a little bit of gaming. You already know what I do. Basically, all I do is talk about crypto, day trading, options trading, swing trading. Let's get right into the topic of this video, guys. It is Snapchat. If you look right here, let's move out a little bit right here. Let's do the 180. This is the chart of Snapchat that we've been looking. And as you see, guys, every time it has some resistance, it goes down and then it builds up a little bit more and then it crashes. And guys, it's been going up, and guess what happened, guys? It's been going up, builds down, crashes, it goes up. And then as we see right here, guys, let's zoom in. Right here, high of 18, crashed up, lower lows as you keep seeing, and these lower lows basically just make me confirm that this is leaning bearish, guys. Especially, let's look into right about here. We had a big drop, and then we had up again, and an even bigger drop, lower low. And then if we look in right here, guys, you see by the thumbnail of the video, and right here, pictures right here and here, I actually traded and shorted this option. I actually just bought a bunch of puts for Snap. So if we just get the 5 days, 15-minute, guys, right here is where I actually got some. Maybe like right here, it went up, it went down. And what did I say, guys? That pattern, it goes up, it goes down, bam, it falls. And that's why, again, guys, it's going up. I think it's going to fall again. But let's zoom out a little bit right here, guys. Maybe let's go with the 20 days, 1 hour. And right here, guys, this is exactly why I thought. I actually made this line right here, as you see right here. So as you've seen, this went up and then it fell big, and then this right here acts as resistance. So when it came back up to this, guys, I said right here, and then it fell a little bit, this big wick right here, this little candle, I said perfect timing. It's losing volume, it's losing steam, it's losing support, and this will turn into resistance. So I bought some puts right here, and as you can see, guys, major red candles, fall. And as you see right here, this is open, and this is that day I got the puts somewhere, either I think it was right here. I got them, and then the next day, bam, 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 bam. People wonder, how do I make so many trades, guys, if I'm under the PDT rule and I don't have an account with 25 grand, guys? I buy before the close, honestly, guys. You see a big move up, and I bought right here, I held, and this right here, overnight, guys, it does not count as a day trade. And then just because I could already sense we have a wick, it's falling down, we have another wick right here, bam, perfect time, bye. I sold somewhere in here. As you see right here, that's the pictures in the thumbnail, is also I'm posting on the screen. My next trade, guys, as you're seeing, BYND. Let's zoom the fuck out of here. Let's zoom out 180 days, guys. What am I doing? 1 year. Why am I so zoomed in? Alright, so my bad, guys. Let's do 20 days, 1 hour. Okay, as you see, guys, this is going down. It has some support, and then now we're red candles. Let's zoom out some more. I forgot what exactly. Right here, guys. This right here. All right, you see this? It goes up, falls down. This acts as support. What happens when it acts as support? When it crashes under it, this will more than likely act as resistance. What I'm preparing for and expecting right now, guys, is it either will come up to the 129, maybe 127, maybe max 130-ish over here. This one, I'm thinking 131. It will go somewhere up. Possibility 1, it goes up to 131 and then falls because it acts as resistance. Or 2, it just concaves under this right here, and then it breaks under more, like, this resistance support crashes, and it falls down to maybe $95. I don't see why this is not possible, guys, especially if we go to the 3-year weekly, guys. Look at this. Up, fall. And what do you think? What does this look like, guys? It looks like it's going to definitely keep going lower. As you see right here, this little wick. The wicks, guys, they tell you where it can go. And also, this wick ends here. It's right here. You see what I'm saying? So definitely, this is why I'm thinking BYND. I will be buying some puts in this. That is for damn sure. And then another one, guys, I like is Roku. Call me crazy, but this is what I see for Roku, right? Right now, it's stuck in this channel, okay? It will either break towards 134, break out 135.5, and then maybe break through 140. If it goes through 140, it is huge breakout. But what will more than likely happen, guys, this will crash, maybe come down to 128, and this is right here. Maybe under 128, 127.78 is the real line of resistance or support. So we're gonna keep an eye on it, guys. It will either act as support and then break through the ascending triangle and break all times highs, big breakout, or what will more than likely happen, as you see here and here, it will crash under this and then maybe go back down to right here, the low, which I think 125, definitely 125. So I'm hoping it's going to crash down to 125 and maybe even head lower, close the gap right around here at 119. Let's make a little drawing right here. So it could even drop to low to here, or here. It could also go up. You could lose money, but hey, guys, it's investing. So I'm getting some Roku puts and some BYND. So far in this options trading, guys, I've not really been lost. I haven't lost any money. I haven't been wrong. There has been a day or some time I was in the red, but it's not that I didn't recover or end the trade in green, which is really good. And the reason, guys, I was day trading live day trading with TradeZero. I still use TradeZero and I still day trade. But with school and work, guys, it's hard to do it while I'm in school or at work. So really, I have a laptop. I always have a laptop. I always have a phone on me, so I can always just place option trade. It's way more convenient, guys. And again, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, guys. I post daily videos, stock trading, day trading, reviews, options, swing trading, cryptocurrency, guys. Make sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm out. Peace. I'm out. Peace.